Yeah man, so fly fam. You know we are cheap on a fish fry. So we're just now showing us some clip behind the scene. Just some little clip. So stay tuned. What's good, so fly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. We're out here. We are doing it.
Make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father. And make we lift up the world, yeah.
Take a look at the world.
I know they're behind the scene of the first fish fry.
Not the first one. The third fish fry.
No,
I hear only something this.
the first fish fry for the channel.
Oh.
And we have done our fry some fish.
Hi, baby.
So it's a yearly thing. We are showing a little sneak peek of what actually. Because I show you what go on.
No man, that's catering service and all your catering needs. Fish Bammy Festival, everything you want. You can get your hot lunch order during the day as well. Lisa, assistant.
Oh Jesus!
The assistant will tell you more about the business.
Well, we do lunch on a daily basis.
Right.
So call in, send your order, and your lunch will be delivered right to you.
Alright.
So give it up.
Aja production.
Back in the days, we could all sit on our verandas, sleep till any hour of the night. But we can't take them chance there again. Take a look at the world now. How the people are living. Then you look at yourself now. Do you like the way you're living? Come on, let's make a change. We can make a difference. Let's make a change. We can make a difference.
We can make a change if we only do better. Stop being followers. Be trendsetters, stay focused, my sisters and brother, and stop fight each other.
Let's just unite and live right and make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father. And make we lift up the world, yeah.
Take a look at the world now. How the people are living. Then you look at yourself now. Do you like the way you're living? Come on, let's make a change. We can make a difference. Let's make a change. We can make a difference.
Do you love the life you're living? Do you know just where you're going? All the seeds that you're sowing. We need a change, a rearrange. Yeah,
Change will come one day. Change must come some way. Let's lead by example. All cruel invention dismantle.
Take a look at the world now. How the people are living. Then you look at yourself now. Do you like the way you're living? Come on, let's make a change. We can make a difference.
if we try.
Let's make a change. We can make a difference.
Yes, sir.
Wait, Yeah. Alright, one steam, one fry.
One steam, one fry, Miss B.
And Sister Sweetie to get one steam.
Yeah.
And Patricia to get one steam.
One fry and one steam.
Patricia
The
to
fry and PR.
She get the fry already.
She get her fresh already?
Yes.
So maybe I should pay for Angela and fish then.
No, ask her. I know if fry fish she pay for.
Does she get PR first now, Charlie?
Yes, but I know she not pay for it.
Alright.